Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Becker, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type scenesbecker.com into the address bar. Press the enter key. Wait for the website to load completely. Look for the login button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the first text field. Type your password in the second text field. Make sure there are no typos in your email or password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password. Once you have entered your email and password, click the Login button. Wait for the system to process your login request. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your dashboard. If you encounter an error, check your email and password again. For additional help, look for a support option on the web page. Now you are successfully logged into Becker's platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.